Hello and welcome. Thanks for checking out TwitchConvergence. This plugin allows you to integrate with your Twitch stream. Lets you do custom commands every time an event happens in Twitch. You can give custom ranks to followers and subscribers. You also can do announcements for every time an event happens. So if your stream goes live, an announcement will pop up, and you can fire off fireworks at everybody's feet. Some cool stuff like that. Before you get started with all this cool stuff, though, we have to go through some basic setup, and that's what this guide will be about here. So first of all, we're going to go and we're going to actually go to copy our TwitchConvergence plugin here to our plugins folder on our server. This could be, you might have to do this differently depending on if you're using a hosting service or a VPS, but make sure you get that in your plugins folder. We're going to go ahead and start up our server. Give us a second to load here. And everything's ready. It says configuration has not been filled out yet. Please read through it and fill that stuff out. So we're going to go to our plugins, TwitchConvergence, config YML, and you'll notice that we have to fill out this information here: the callback URL, callback port, client ID, and client secret. This is something we have to fill out. Mandatory stuff. So to do that, we need to actually create a Twitch.tv application that the plugin can interface with. And it's really simple to do. I'm just going to walk you through the process here right quick. So first we need to navigate to dev.twitchtv/consoles/apps. You'll be presented with this page here. We go to register your application. Give it a name. I'm going to call this one Minecraft Convergence. Doesn't like the word Twitch in your name. And then we have to put in an OAuth redirect URL. This is the URL that after we do the authorization link, it's going to send a signal back to your Minecraft server. So we're going to have port 8008 forwarded or another port of some kind. I'll explain how to do this really quick on a home router, but this might be different if you have a VPS or Minecraft hosting provider. Sometimes they provide you with open ports and you can't pick the port name, or the port number rather. So you'd have to pick that port there. Just make sure that when we fill this out, you use the correct port number. So in our basic home router setup, we can go to the basic settings, go to port forwarding. We're going to add a rule. We're going to name this TwitchConvergence. Select the protocol as TCP. We need 8008. That's the default port, or whatever port you want to use, it doesn't matter. And my local IP address that you want to redirect the port to. Fill this out, click apply, and you should be good to go. That was really super simple. Alright, so now in here, for our OAuth redirect URL, we're going to go to https://redirectme2.com/ and then this is going to be your domain name. So this is going to be http:// and this can be either your server's IP address or your play.minecraft.com, whatever it is. For me, it's TwitchConvergence .serveminecraft.net, and then we need to specify the port: 8008. Our category, we're going to put in the other. We're going to complete our CAPTCHA and click on create. Now we can see that we have our newly created app in here. We want to go to manage so we can get the settings that we need for our config YML. Basically, we need our client ID and our client secret. So we're going to generate a new secret for our client here. Are you sure you want to generate a new secret? Yes. It will pop up here. And we're going to take our OAuth2 redirect URL. Just copy that. Go over to config. Here, OAuth2 redirect URL. Redirect me to twitchconvergence.serveminecraft.net on port 8001 or 8008. Our redirect port is 8008. Change that to whatever you need to. Our client ID. I'm going to take that and put this here for client ID. And our client secret here. Alright, and now's a good point and time to go through the rest of the config and set up everything you want here. There's a whole bunch of different events for what happens on Twitch TV. You can set all these up to do what you want. It comes with a bunch of default values, but if you don't want that happening, you got to go through it and manually change everything. What we're going to do right now is we're going to turn mirror Twitch chat to true and mirror Minecraft chat to true. I'll make sure that the chat's working in game. We're going to save our config YML. Go back to our server console, and we're going to issue the command tc reload. We'll reload the config. It says that it's listening for callbacks from Twitch authentication services on port 8008. And we have not yet authorized our account. Issue command tc authorize to generate a new link. So we're going to do that now. We're going to do tc authorize. It gives us a link here. We're going to navigate this link. It presents us with this Minecraft conversions. It says it wants to access all this stuff here. These are all scopes that the plugin needs to run. We're going to click on authorize, and we'll get to this page here that says Twitch authorization successful. You may now close the window. Alright, so if we go back to our thing here, you'll see that we've stopped listening for the callbacks. We don't need to do that anymore. We've treated a list of followers, subscribers, and then subscribed to a whole bunch of events on the Twitch API. So now everything's up and running. You're good to go. For example, if because we mirror Twitch or Minecraft chat, I can say hello from Minecraft. And if we go to my stream page, you can see it says hello from Minecraft in here, and we can go hello from twitch.tv. And our chat's being mirrored. You can see everything's good there. Now, for the events, sometimes you use a player placeholder to actually specify you want to give a player an item, something like that. You have to have your player link their account. This doesn't require admin privileges. It requires a tc.link permission, which is everyone gets by default. So we're going to type in tc-link. And it says send this message in Twitch chat to link your account, verify 292323. So we're going to do that. We're going to do / verify. I forgot the number already. Where is it here? 292323. 292323. Shit, son. Oh, we didn't type in verify properly. Sorry. I'm having a little bit of difficulty typing this in here. Okay, let's try it one more time. Verify, spelled correctly, 292323. There we go. We're successfully linked our Minecraft account there. So that's what you're going to have to do to have players link their Minecraft accounts. And they can get all the benefits of, if you want to give them a subscriber rank or a follower rank, you need to link their account to actually get that. It'll be automatically given to them when they link. It will be automatically given to them if they subscribe while your stream is going and the plugin's running. And it can be automatically revoked if on the player join or when it expires during the stream. So that's all you need to do, get set up and running, and I hope you guys have fun. Alright, thank you very much. Enjoy.